Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with another new store for my channel. Now today I partnered with Lovelywholesale. This will be a try on haul and I'm going to explain basically what to expect from this company as far as shipping, quality, how items come, if they look the way they're supposed to, and all that good jazz. You know I like to bring new brands to the channel and I've been seeing their emails, I've been seeing them online, their ads, so I wanted to go ahead and test them out. So if you want to see what it is that I think, stay tuned.
Alright, so let's just get right into it. So this is a romper. I wanted to kind of show you the material. It's different. I gotta say that it's different. So I didn't think it was going to be as cute on as it actually is. But this romper, if you stretch it too much, it kind of turns white. But I think it's really cute. It's comfortable. I don't feel hot in it. You have to kind of play with the top, so I'm kind of tucking it in my bra here like you can see, and it definitely rises up, so I'll have to constantly pull out, you know, for underneath my thighs, or you can have it go super short. But it's a romper. You're going to be serving body and booty. It has a little tie that comes off. You can switch it out for like a Gucci belt or something. I thought it was really cute. Now this is also an easy set. The first one was a romper. This is a two-piece set. Now, mind you, I'm not wearing the bottoms to this because they just didn't fit, y'all. So I wanted to put the top on so I can show you basically how it looks. I actually like it. I think it's cute because it's off the shoulder. It looks sporty. The colors are pretty. It's a drawstring, so that's pretty cool that you can kind of cinch your waist in. It's like a it's like old school. What's that material? It's like a windbreaker material. So it is really thin. It's not lined or anything, but even though the waist is stretchy, this fabric doesn't stretch. It's like windbreaker material. So of course I could not get it past my hips, but I still wanted you to see the full outfit. I think it's really cute. It's such a cute set. So I'm going to put my sizes to everything down below and my measurements. Okay. So you guys can kind of figure out what size you should get. But this right here, I wanted to have like an easy two-piece set. I'm all about coordinates because I just want to throw it on and go. But this set is just not going to work, y'all. It's completely thin. It's see-through. It's not lined. Although it's stretchy, the execution of it just is not there. So unfortunately, this is a dub. But yeah, I wanted to share the good and the bad. Alright, now I didn't expect to like this as much as I do. I love how it snatches me in. I love how I don't have to wear a bra. Y'all already know I'm all about team no bra, but this is another one of those things where my thighs are a little, you know, jiggly, loose skin or whatever, so I have to constantly pull it down, but I just love the back. It is really low cut. You can even see my underwear, so I'm sorry, but I gotta keep it real. It's really low cut in the back. I love how the strings tie up. Again, supportive. You don't have to wear a bra. I think this would look cute with some strap up sandals, some wedges, or even some sneakers. Okay, so really easy breezy. It is thin, but it's not see-through. At least I don't think so, but you never know until you go out in the sun. So again, this is a summer try on haul. This is something I just wanted to pick up. This is a bathing suit. Now it looks cute. I cannot even lie. I love the flowy duster. You can always use the duster and wear it with jeans or something, but this bathing suit is not really bathing suit material. It's all sheer. Okay, so this is strictly for aesthetics or a part of an outfit that you can wear somewhere, lingerie party, I don't know, mix and match. But if I get in the water with this, it's all just sheer material. I don't know how it's supposed to soak up water, but hey, at least you can look cute by the pool or on the beach in it, okay? And you know, that's what we're here for. So moving right along, This is a dress that I saw and I was like, you know what, I've seen other places sell this, let me give it a go. The material on all these things, if it's not see-through, or if it's not sheer, it's like polyester. And this is really a polyester material, so it's stretchy, it's kind of thick, however it has like this feeling to it. So I should have sized down. Okay, you can see it's really baggy on me. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really baggy on me and it just doesn't fit. So I love the dress. I think it's cute. I love how long it is. I'll put my measurements again down below. I'm 5'7", but I love maxi dresses in the summer because it's just easy to throw on and go, but it's too big on the top, it's too loose, there's no adjustable straps, so you got to be mindful, y'all, what size you get. So yeah, lovely dress, but just didn't work in my size. Okay, now this is a t-shirt, and well, it's a t-shirt, but it's not made out of cotton, if that makes sense. This is that polyester feel that I told you about again. I love my t-shirts to be cotton, so that was just something I wanted to mention. This is not cotton, it's polyester. It's like that shiny material. I love the colors though. The colors are so pretty, as you can kind of see on camera. I don't even think it's doing it justice, but I wanted to show you the fabric. It's white on the other side, so print on one side, white on the other side, but it's a really cute shirt. Throw it on with some white shorts. I mean, you can really rock this however you want, but I definitely wanted to give the casual pieces a try. Now again, sticking with the really comfortable feel, I have this maxi dress, something I just wanted to try again. I actually loved it. I already wore it, y'all. It's so cute. Also that polyester material, and it has that mesh lining in the middle, on the top, on the straps, and then also towards your knees. So it is that mesh see-through, but I think stripes are really cute. Even though they're horizontal, they still kind of show your shape. It's really comfortable. I think black and white in anything is really, classic. So I think it looks good. You can complement your look with any color accessory or makeup. So now I'm going to show you some of the things that just did not work for me, but hey, at least I'll give you the heads up. So if you want to order it, you know what to expect. These are shorts. And this is the top. So I wanted to wear it to the beach or the pool, especially a pool party. It kind of reminds me of dancer material. If you ever been to a strip club, then you know what I'm talking about. But the top is not adjustable, which was interesting to me. You may have to cut it so you can tie it around your neck. But yeah, it did not fit. It did not go over my hips, so it's not that stretchy. Now this also didn't go over my hips. This is like a one-piece romper. To me, you would have to wear undergarments on purpose. It's basically see-through. It is see-through. It's sheer. But I love the bottom. They're so cute. The pants, even though the top part is stretchy, that goes around your stomach and your torso, the actual pants part is not stretchy, and that's why I couldn't try them on. But if you can get into it, I think it's really flirty and feminine. Again, it's completely see-through. You gotta have some tan undergarments, but it's really cute. Now, I love me a good dress, honey. This is cute for date night. This does fit me tighter. I would have gone one size up, but it's cute. It's pretty thin, so being it's white, you gotta be mindful of that. It is pretty thin. These buttons are faux, so they don't actually unbutton up your split, but I'm going to wear this, period. I just love white. It has gold details and it's cute. I love bodycon anything. Y'all already know, but I'm talking about sizing here. And yeah, sizing for this dress, you should go up one. Now, just a little bit about the dresses. I looked at their sizing chart and everything worked out pretty much the way that my measurements were. So just use the sizing chart, dolls. In regards to the shipping time, it comes in 2 weeks or less, so be mindful of that when you're ordering. A lot of the materials, again, you get what you pay for. It's not thick material at all. I wish this dress was a little bit thicker because then I wouldn't have to situate myself like this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some tape, do the tape trick for my boobs or whatever, but this is a sexy dress. I love how low the back is. I love the color. It's not actual tie-dye. It's like a simulation on this material. It's that thin material again, so just be mindful of that, okay? It looks good, but it's actually really thin, so I'm gonna have to wear some shorts of this and just tape my boobs up. Now this dress, I loved it. This dress is really cute to me. I have dresses like this. The only difference is that these straps are not adjustable, so that's the only thing I would say about that. But it's cute, it fits well, it's body conscious, the colors are bright, the material actually isn't so bad, and I just love it. I'm gonna rock this soon, so hey, make sure you follow me on Instagram to catch that. When I saw this, I just had to have it. It was serving that Rihanna vibes, that bad gal vibe, and I just love it. So it's kind of short, like it literally shows your booty cheeks, at least for me and my hips and my measurements. So I'm probably going to just wear it as a shirt with some jeans or some cut off shorts, something like that. So it's a cute color, the Rastafarian color, and it's something I would recommend. Now this is my favorite item of the whole entire haul, y'all. Get this dress, get it in every color. The color blocking is super cute. The shades of color is super cute. The top is flattering without a bra because of it being a drawstring and being a halter, and the material feels so good. It's heavy on the bottom. It goes all the way to the bottom, so it's great for tall girls. I can't say enough positive things about this dress. This is my absolute favorite item of the whole entire haul, but it's stretchy and it's a soft stretchy material. I wish all the dresses fit like this. Like, y'all, I love this dress.
Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, this is all from Lovely Wholesale. I'll put the links down below in the box of the sizes I got, as well as a coupon code. And if you dolls tried Lovely Wholesale before, leave a comment down below. Let the diva dolls know what it is that you think as far as how their shipping is, their quality of item is, you know, the way the picture looks versus what you get. I can honestly say this first time around, if I had to grade on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the least, 10 being the best, I would give it somewhere around like a 7.5. And I would say that because I wasn't expecting a whole lot, since the prices are where they are. You basically get what you pay for, but some of these items come better than the others. That's why I am here, to bring you these honest videos. But yeah, I would recommend it, especially if you're taking like a quick trip, you need some clothes. I really can't complain. Some of these items look better on than on a hanger. Again, we already talked about the material, but all in all, I would say give it a shot. I may do more videos with Lovely Wholesale, so please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to share this video with your friends. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and do that. Your girl is on her way to 100K, and I am super excited. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @Chrissy_the_doll. And again, dolls, I really enjoy doing this for you. I want to say thank you so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.